In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. Now, if you've been working in AutoCAD, you know that sometimes the default text size just doesn't cut it for your project needs. Whether you're aiming for better readability or just want to modify the aesthetic of your drawing, changing the text size is a simple yet effective way to achieve your goal. The first thing you're going to need to do is identify the text you wish to modify. Take a moment to carefully review your drawing and decide which text elements require resizing. Once you've done that, it's time to move on to the next step. Start by double-clicking on the text you want to change. This action will take you directly to the Text Editor tab. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the text editing options appear on your screen. AutoCAD has a helpful interface that allows you to see your changes in real time, so make sure you're comfortable with how your workspace is set up. With the Text Editor tab open, you'll want to focus on the specific text you intend to resize. Use your mouse to click and highlight the portion of text that you need to change. You can highlight individual words or the entire text block, depending on your preferences. Now, here's where the magic happens. Direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. There you should see a text height text box. This is your tool for adjusting the size of your text. The number currently in that box represents the existing size of your text. To modify it, carefully replace this number with the new size that you prefer. Whether you're increasing it for better legibility or decreasing it to fit a more compact design, be sure to enter your desired value. After you've input your new size, take a moment to look at how your modifications affect the overall design. AutoCAD will update the text size immediately, so you can see if further adjustments are necessary. It's a good practice to always check your work, both in terms of aesthetics and functionality. Remember, working in AutoCAD can sometimes be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with all of the tools at your disposal. However, mastering these small steps can significantly impact the quality of your work. Changing text size is just one of the many skills that help you customize your drawings to precise specifications and improve your overall productivity. As we wrap up, take this newfound knowledge and explore its potential. Each draft and project you work on from now will benefit from this simple yet valuable technique. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to practice, and soon, adjusting text size in AutoCAD will become second nature to you.